Okay, so we found a couple carbonators here. Stand back slowly so I can swing my hammer.
Okay.
Not that far back. So these are typical linkert. They're bowed all to hell from people over torquing them with stupid gaskets in there. So when you cut them down, they get real thin. It doesn't help you any. So you beat the damn things back down, flatten them out. So this one here, I've already beat on a couple times.
A little better.
So I got my 1.5 feeler gauge here now. See what's on there.
Wow.
And the holes are all, threads are all pulled up too. So
yeah, you can tell they've been.
So when you're going like this now, in front of the hole, so you know it's shitting on this. So that means you went enough already.
It's like a piece of metal paper.
Yeah, it is pretty thin.
Thinner than paper.
Okay, so this one's bowed over here, so I'm going to have to work on this side a little bit. See?
Yeah.
So you'll make sure you have a nice smooth face hammer.
Mm-hmm. Looks like it did a little bit. Not enough though, huh? Right there.
It's bowed there.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, the threads are pulled up a little bit.
Yeah, so that one has more.
So you gotta look at the overall surface. After you flatten it out, will it still be bowed or not? So I'm gonna go ahead and give it just a little bit more.
Oh, maybe my... Remember how before you said that my thing here was all messed up and you couldn't get to it?
I don't know. I don't remember your piece of crap.
Well,
it was pretty good though. I remember that.
Yeah, it's a pretty good shiny piece of crap.
Yep. So it looks pretty flat now.
It does. It's hard to see on camera, but...
The same thing happens on these too, except these you bow in and people falling down, not bow out. It's harder to fix that problem.
Yeah,
okay,
but that's
so this is a carburetor body. You can strip all your carburetor down, stick it on this, and see if it runs.
Mm-hmm.
And this one we'll make a deal on it. Okay, this carburetor here has all the same crap you want, which is your external cheapo throttle. You notice how they bent this one down.
Mm-hmm.
So that they cleared that motor mount. Remember, it was real tight.
Yeah.
So
I just ground my motor mount.
this one gets not quite full throttle.
No.
So it might need adjustment.
Because it's bent.
It might need on because they didn't adjust it correctly. Over here, you have to adjust it. Other than that, it's all in there. It has a float in there.
Mm.
Get all the needles in it. So this one you just bolt on and run the damn thing.
Oh man. But that one's probably got a whole host of problems. I mean, look at the crust on that thing.
We don't care. Look how bent it is.
Yeah.
So we have to fix the bend. So you look at it, figure out if it's bending evenly or it's uneven.
Mm.
Looks like this side's higher than this side. See, it's not bent so much anymore.
Yeah. Does look a little bit less.
She just got tighter though.
That did?
Oh yeah. So this side here, it's not as bad as the other one was. And I'm sure it's probably got issues too. Gonna get little love taps there just to make sure it's equally massaged. Okay, so now this is tight too. We bent things. Things have been moved.
Yeah.
So this throttle's a little sticky.
Yeah. Sticky like the throttle I got too.
So this has to be, it's not a bolt on anymore because now it's tight. You can still bolt it on and run it, you just have to It's just going to stick on you.
Probably run like shite too.
It doesn't matter, you just got to hook it up. You don't even have to put a throttle cable on,
Just play with it with that.
just open up a
Your
little bit,
fingers.
start the bike up, and then turn it. So this one of the screws was missing, so I'll put a screw in it over here. But anyway, you can make it work. But anyway, for now, it's got some issues with it because now it's tight on the throttle shaft. Probably because someone's beating on it with a hammer. We don't know anybody around here like that, do you?
No.
Beating on the cord to finish this linkert carb.
Abusing these poor little carburetors.
That's right. On purpose, I bet too. Okay, now we take a piece of nice paper. So I just dug that in.
Yeah. The high spot.
I pushed too hard.
Oh.
Now the paper's screwed up.
Wow. A little better.
It's high on this edge here.
Mm-hmm.
Just take a while to bring that in.
Yeah.
So you can go over here and make an adjustment on it. Oops. Been adjusted.
Starting to bring it in.
It's already good enough right now to run.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I need to push on it this way, but I can't. There we go. Oh yeah, that'll seal right now.
Yeah, because all these bolt holes.
Don't mean anything, it's just
No.
a circle around here that matters.
Yeah.
We're just starting to come in here, so. Try all different angles to get different patterns. So that is now in there far enough to run on just fine.
Cool.
Set over here. Uneven.
Oh, your camera died. Dude, this thing just stopped recording.
Good.
So who knows how much of that we got?
None of it. It was top secret. Need to know only?
Yeah.
You didn't need to know. Okay, so now, are we vertical now?
No.
We passed vertical?
That's right where you just had it was almost vertical. That looks like it might be. It's not.
It's not?
No, but it's pretty darn close.
Did I go too far now?
I think you went,
No, I went the other direction.
yeah, not far enough.
That looks pretty good right there. Nothing worse than overshooting it.
Because then you think you're on full throttle, but you're going
Well,
slower.
I've had a lot of guys hit them way past center. So you know, you got pretty close.
And you're actually going slower.
And then you back out and it goes faster.
Oh man, you'd think you'd notice something was up.
Yeah, you'd be surprised.
I mean, even I would notice that's not a normal function.
So you gotta find the sweet spots there.
Looks a lot looser than it did.
I don't think so.
Well, just from looks, I'm not touching it, so.
Aha, there's a sweet spot. Needs to go that way.
Out instead of in.
Yeah, you put shit in one over there though. I think it got worse that time.
Hmm.
The 3 right there, just
It kind of sticks right at the end.
wide open is a bit of an issue. Ooh, did not like that. Made the whole thing tighter. This is the part I can't hit on. At least not very easily. Yeah. Here it'll be fine. And Lidl. I think it's tight right here, so.
Hmm.
A little tighter. That helped it.
Hmm. Does the 74 on the carburetors have any correlation with the 74-inch motors?
Nope.
It's just a coincidence, huh?
So if I go for it one more time just to make sure I screwed up, or
I don't know. If you want to keep doing it like 10 more times, then hit it one more time. Probably like right at that spot where it's just is what it is. Oh, that looks the best.
no,
Really?
no, I'm a Nazi.
Doesn't all that hitting on it affect the air seal? Some of those bushings?
Good. Try and loosen them up.
And get some more air going through there.
I think it's about our best spot. It's not enough to be gravity done, but it's enough the cable should do it. Your spring tension would definitely do it. So
Yeah.
now it's the stickiest right here at idle. When idle. That's the tightest spot.
You got wide open, but no idle.
Well, yeah, that's all we care about. It's wide open, don't we?
Just start it up and you're already going 100 miles an hour.
Yeah, it's pretty free over here. It's just that idle that's kind of rough. Yeah, a little bit better than that last hit. Cleaned up a little bit at idle. Okay, so
That carburetor doesn't really even look that bad, just compared to mine. Like, the throttle stop on mine is total shit. This thing here is total shit.
Oh, well,
This one looks actually a lot, like, more functional.
yeah, maybe. Hard to tell.
It's hard to tell. You won't tell until it's actually...
Okay, so that will go there. So, we need a screw for here. You got a screw?
on my carb.
Yeah, I can help your carb. We need one for here.
I don't have one in my pocket.
So we have to go find a screw for this. Probably want her to maybe debung this thing up a little bit.
Debung?
Debum it.
Bone?
Debung it.
Hmm.
Some bum beat on it with a hammer and screwed it up.
Debum. Never heard that one.
I make words up.
Flattish. Debummed.
Debunged. B-U-N-G.
Oh, bunged.
Debunged up. Somebody bung on it with a big bunger hammer.
Oh, some bum with a bunger bunged on it.
That's right. There you go.
Perfect. It should work perfect like that.
Maybe go find a couple of screws for that. Maybe put a lock washer in there too, just for the hell of it. Look how big the hole is in this one. Way bigger than the one we did on yours.
It looks like they really.
The screw disappeared too. I gotta find a screw.
Well, if I'm gonna switch that out on mine, I might as well just scavenge everything off of mine.
Nope.
Why, you want mine?
No, you gotta run that one the way it is.
Run my carburetor or that one?
This one. This is the one you scavenge parts on. So you've got this one. So, totally different.